Anchors, this is again a resorbable polymer anchor that goes in the body, turns into carbon dioxide and water after it's done its job. The overall length of this part is 85 thousandths of an inch, 8/10 tip radius, and a side action hole about 10 thousandths. These are some bone scaffolds with some posts and 3/1000 weld bead. Extremely difficult to do as an ultrasonically welded PLA or resorbable polymer. It doesn't like to be subjected to both heat and moisture, and so that's a big challenge. This is again a glaucoma drain. This goes in the side of the sclera of the eye, and the orifice at the end is a 10/1000 inch diameter hole, and this whole part kind of acts like a venturi system, so it actually works with pressure to pull the gunk from glaucoma to drain behind the eye. So you can actually see too that this part has a curvature to it, and the inside of this is a wedge-shaped core pin that actually goes inside that part. So the tool to make this part actually had a shutoff that came in radially, which is challenging to do, to come in radially and shut off on that 10/1000 hole. Big challenge to do that and do that accurately. This is intraocular vacuum fitting, which is used in laser surgery for macular degeneration. And so the challenge with this particular part, again, the surface finish, anything that goes on the eye can be very discomforting if it's not a pristine, very smooth surface. So because we actually came in sideways with a hole into this part, into the curvature, now we have to, where that hole matched the curvature, we have to be very careful that that's blended in properly, so that we don't have a rough edge that when you blink your eye you'll be able to feel that. So that was a challenge for, again, the machined mold to make the molded part. Punctum plug, again, these are put in the very corner of the eye where you have a hole. If that's plugged, for example, sometimes this is made with a pharmaceutical ingredient, and that hole in the center is about 160 micron hole, or somewhere around 6.5 thousandths of an inch.